How to go about creating a piping system in Revit MEP. First, review the design criteria and project requirements to understand the scope and goals of the piping system. This would include information such as the types of fluids or gases that will be transported, the system capacity and pressure requirements, and any specific codes or regulations that must be followed. Next, conduct a site survey to gather information about the physical location and layout of the building or structure where the piping system will be installed. This would include information such as the location of other systems and utilities, the location of structural supports and penetrations, and any potential obstacles or constraints. Next, create a schematic diagram of the piping system. This would be a rough sketch or drawing that shows the general layout and routing of the pipes, as well as the location of key components such as pumps, valves, and fittings. Estimate pipe sizes and materials. Estimating the pipe sizes and materials needed for the piping system takes into account factors such as fluid flow rates, pressure drops, and other system characteristics. Also consider cost, durability, and other factors that may impact the choice of materials. Determine pipe routing. Determine the routing of the pipes, taking into account factors such as the location of other systems and utilities, the location of structural supports and penetrations, and any potential obstacles or constraints. There's more, but that gets us started.